What's up, you guys? I'm Deja. By the title of the video, you already know what's going on. Today, I'll be showing you the super sleek 72 Adidas from the Ivy Park collection. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. When looking at the shoe online, I was completely in love. If you guys know me personally, then you know that I love platforms. I am a sucker for platforms. However, when unboxing this shoe and seeing the shoe in person, I was like,
these shoes ugly as hell.
These are not the shoes that I fell in love with online. Like, this is not it. The shoes are very pointy in the front, and I just thought they looked weird. However, when putting the shoes on, I fell absolutely back in love. The shoes are extremely comfortable, and they just look so cute on foot. I did order these in my normal size, which is a size 7. I watched one other video and the girl said that she sized up. However, me, I have small, chunky, wide feet. I am a size 7, and I actually think that I could have went down a size. All in all, the shoe is extremely comfortable. I love providing you guys with details on the shoe. I was curious to know how high the heel on the shoe was. However, Beyonce and Adidas provided very little information on the shoe. I basically just found that the shoe was white and off-white. That's all that I could find. But the shoe is extremely comfortable. I hope you guys like this video. I hope this video helped you decide if you want to purchase this shoe. I didn't purchase any of the clothes. They are just too expensive for me, and they don't look like an everyday outfit that I will wear. It looks like an outfit I will once and not wear ever again. So I did not purchase any of the clothes. They were extremely overpriced. Beyonce, I think you're tripping. But yeah, I hope this video helped you decide if you want to purchase this shoe. This shoe is still available online. I think majority of the sizes are still available. But comment down below, what do y'all think about this shoe? Do you like it? Will you buy it? I believe they retail at $145. So thank you guys for watching. Also, I want to send a big shout out to all my new subscribers. I have so many new subscribers. I love y'all. I have hit 100 subscribers. I also do not plan on showing my face this video. I went and got my eyebrows tinted, and I had a very bad reaction to it.
Horrible!
I received like a chemical burn, but I did not want to leave you guys hanging. I want to provide you guys with a video this week. So make sure y'all like this video, because I'm struggling over here and I provided you guys with some content even though I'm over here looking a mess. So all right, make sure you comment down below. Thank you. Bye.